Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison, and today we're going to be doing a look from my 7 Deadly Sins series. We're starting off with envy. I chose jealousy as envy, so that's why there's a bunch of eyes, kind of eyes looking all over the place, because they're really jealous, stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. In the Catholic Church, there are 7 deadly sins that would banish you to hell. Envy is one of them. Envy is the desire to have the qualities, possessions, or belongings of someone else. For example, to be envious over someone's appearance or the wealth that they have. Envy is normally portrayed as a green color. Just like in the Othello play from Shakespeare, jealousy is a green-eyed monster. I was also inspired by an artist, and I'll link her down below. For this makeup, I wanted to portray envy as in jealousy, having your eyes on everyone. So I started off with my normal foundation and concealer routine. So I'm taking an eyebrow pencil and I'm drawing on eye shapes. I'm drawing eyes on the one side of my face and keeping the other one clear to show the balance between jealousy and real life, because jealousy is always encapsulating one side of your mind than the other. Now going in with a brown eyeshadow, and I'm just contouring behind the eye so it actually looks like it's in the skin than on top of the skin. I'm using that brown shade to go underneath the eye, as well as creating the little divot that you have in your eye or your eye bags, just to make them look a little bit more realistic, as well as creating the fold of the eye. Now taking a concealer and a sharp brush, I'm applying that on the highlights. So I'm putting it on the fold of the eye as well as right underneath the eye just to bring some highlights and some dimension to the look. so it doesn't look as flat and it looks more 3D. And make sure to blend out the edges. Taking a white face paint and I'm just coloring in the eyes. Taking that eyebrow pencil again, and I'm just deepening up the edge between the eyeball and the eyelid. Deepening it further with a dark brown eyeshadow just to add some depth to the eye. Taking the same brush and eyeshadow, I'm taking the brown on the sides of the eyes so the eye actually looks more round than flat. Taking a green liquid eyeshadow, which is actually very close to my eye color, and I'm just creating the iris with that color. I also have the eyeballs looking in different directions, not just forward, to show that the eyes are looking everywhere and looking at everyone. Going in and making sure it's all filled in with the green, and then I'm going to go in with a brown eyeshadow and just add some dimension to the eyes so it isn't just flat. I shaded the tops and the bottoms of the eyes, as well as adding some lines in the eyes just to add some different dimension. Using the back of an eyeshadow brush to create a perfect circle, I go in with a face paint just to create the pupil to the eye. After that black dried, I go in with a white just to create some light reflection in the eye. I'm filling in my eyebrows like I do normally with an eyebrow pencil. And then going in with a concealer on an angled brush just to clean up underneath the brow. Taking that same liquid eyeshadow from before, I apply it on my lids and then smoke it out with a big fluffy brush. And the fastest you blend it out when it's still wet, the more smooth that blend will be. I'm applying a gold shimmer to the lid. Now I'm applying fake eyelashes to all of the eyes, and then I'm going to use a face paint to paint on the bottom lashes. I used a bunch of different lashes. I used some strip lashes as well as some individuals to apply all the lashes to all of these eyes. Going in with mascara and then applying fake eyelashes to my actual eyes. There's me going in with an eyeliner just to create the little lashes on the bottom lid. Now I'm adding contour to my cheekbones, my temples, as well as underneath the jaw and my nose. Going in with a dark purple lipstick, and I'm applying a more rounded Cupid's bow. I'm applying drips with face paint. I achieved this by adding a lot of water to my brush and letting it drip down. And I'm applying that same dripping effect to the eyes as well. I wanted to have these black tears to show the grief that you have when you have a lot of jealousy in your body, as well as the poison, so like the black for jealousy. Side note, the more water you have in the brush, the lighter the black drips will look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me. All my other social media links will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!